Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Fashion World. Today we are diving deep into the fascinating world of high heels for women. High heels are not a just fashion statement, they are a symbol of confidence and empowerment. Let's start with the different types of high heels. First up, we have pumps, which are classic and versatile. They have a closed toe and a low cut front, making them perfect for both formal and casual occasions. Then we have stilettos, known for their cylinder and sky high heels. Stilettos exude elegance and are ideal for those special night out. If you are looking for a more comfortable option, Weddies are a great choice. They provide stability and support while still giving you that extra height. And left, not forget about platforms. Platforms have a thick sole that extend from the front to the back, giving you added height without the discomfort of high heel. Now let's talk about materials. High heels can be made from a variety of materials, including leather, suede, and even sparkly fabric like glitter or skins. Leather is a popular choice for its durability and timeless appeal, while suede offer a softer and more luxurious look. Sparkly fabric are perfect for adding a touch of glamour and making a statement. When it comes to choosing the right pair of high heels, comfort is key. Look for shoes with concealed insole and sportive strap to ensure a comfortable fit. It's also important to consider heel height. If you are new to wearing high heels, start with the lower heel and gradually work your way up to higher ones. High heels can instantly elevate an outfit. Pair them with the little black dress for a classic and sophisticated look, or wear them with jeans and blouse for a chic and stylish ensemble. The possibility are endless. Remember it's essential to take care for your feet when wearing high heels, stretching exercise, foot massages, and take breaks from wearing heels can help prevent discomfort and foot problem in the long run. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to high heels.